Hey everyone, and welcome back to Trees and Tail Wags. We've been a little MIA, but that doesn't mean we haven't been enjoying our subscription boxes. In this video, we'll be unboxing the TailWagCo August box with the theme of Mornin Pup. I think Max is finally getting the hang of these subscription boxes. If you watch our earlier videos, he didn't really care much for them. Either that or these treats in this box were just amazing because he was all for this box. Everything we pulled out, he was so excited for. And if this is your first time coming to one of our videos, just a reminder that TailWagCo is a Canadian subscription box with many different monthly plans as well as gift boxes and items that you can just buy individually. Make sure to check them out at their Instagram and or Facebook as well as their website, and that is TailWagCo. The theme for this month was Mornin Pup. As you can tell by the pictures, this is going to be a fun box, and like we say every time, it was a fun box. The theme of this month's, or feature, is the Grumpy Puppy Barkery. You'll see later on in the clips the adorable items they provided us. They were delicious and Max actually loved them. Can't wait to buy more from them. Alright friends, our first item is this mini Kong. It's like a little coffee cup. This is actually a smaller version of one of the Kong cups we received in one of our earlier Wolfpack videos, but we prefer this one because it actually makes it harder for Max to get. Next were these cute mini donuts. I'm like 99% sure they were for the dog, like 1% sure they might be for the human, so we're gonna find out because I might have to eat these first because yeah, but so cute. Next we have these Chorizo chicken sausage rolls. They came with 2 in a pack. They are 100% natural. They are also made in Canada. The nice thing about these are they actually help with teeth cleaning, which is something that we like to have for Max. Big dog, big teeth. It's really hard to get in there sometimes. So these were awesome. As for our feature from Grumpy Puppy Barkery, we have sweet potato and peanut butter treats. Literally Max's 2 favorite things. They are delicious. They smell delicious. They help with food allergies, which is perfect because right now Max is having his stomach being settled. Wonderful, love it. Can't wait to buy more. And lastly is this newspaper toy for dogs. This was just so cute. It's like paper, it makes a crinkly sound, and everything on it is stories directed towards dogs. It was just hilarious. It is so cute. It's a great toy for Max to chew on, and it doesn't make a lot of squeaking noise. 10 out of 10. We love it. Doghouse, so good. If you've made it this far, thank you so much for watching our videos. We hope you enjoy our adventures and unboxings. Make sure to like, subscribe, and follow us for much more.